Hi admins, we are making this video to help you understand how can you use Conversite to partner with brands and engage your Facebook group better. In this video, we'll talk about why are we building Conversite, how does Conversite work, how to use Conversite to get deeper insights about your Facebook group, how to know what your users are talking about and love, how to use Conversite to find the best time and schedule posts in your group, how to invite your team to Conversite, how to get daily updates about your group on WhatsApp, how to do brand campaigns with Conversite, how to pitch your group to brands and do campaigns yourself, how to connect with any other admin like you who want to make their group into a business. Okay. Starting with why are we building Conversite? So what we've understood is that one of the biggest problems faced by Facebook group admins is how to unlock sustainable income from my Facebook group. And Facebook has not built too many tools which help you do that. We exist to solve this problem, and we solve this problem by helping you partner with brands and do sustainable, meaningful campaigns and earn an income from that. How does Conversite work? We are an official app on Facebook and we only get conversations happening in your group, that is posts and comments. So we only get posts and comments. We don't get any member data about your group. Okay, and this is the link to our privacy policy. You will see these links across in this deck. Okay, you can click on them and see, check these links out and see the details here. Okay. Essentially what we do is we analyze conversations and then we give you insights about your group. So this is how basically Conversite works. Coming to how to get deeper insights about your group from Conversite. So in Conversite, if you go, you will see your main dashboard. When you go into your group, you will see this overview section where you will see, what happened yesterday. So yesterday's activity and group health, where you will see the data about your group, what happened in the last 30 days, what are the engagement metrics like, what posts are getting how much engagement. So this group health helps you understand daily updates, monthly updates, and what content is working in your group. If you want to check out in detail, click on this link and you will land on this article, which will basically tell you what kind of metrics you should be tracking to understand your group better. Okay. So what we have done is, wherever we have a detailed article, I have mentioned that below. Coming to the next section, which is how to know what your users are talking about, or keyword alerts. So you can track different keyword alerts. So this is the keyword alert section. You can track different keywords across, different contexts and themes. And what you can do is you can add and delete keywords. Like this is a keyword alert for positive impact report, where we have used all thank you, thanks, good, great, awesome words which people have used. And it will tell me all the conversations happening on this. Okay. If you want to know in detail about keyword alerts, check out this article. The next section is called Conversation Trends. What this does is, it figures out what are the top topics and keywords being spoken about in your group, and it gives you a list of that. Okay. So you can access Conversation Trends here. You can see what are the top trending keywords and what are the top trending topics. If I just click on any of the keyword, let's say contest, I can see that what are the top conversations happening on this. Okay. So Conversation Trends will help you understand the top keywords and the top topics being spoken about in your group. The third section is called Reshare Post. This helps you understand what is the content that your users love. Okay. So if you go to Conversite and you go on Reshare Post, you'll be able to see monthly what is the content that your users love, which has got the maximum engagement in video posts, in image posts, and in plain text posts. Okay. And you can repost this content with a single click using our Conversite post scheduler. How to use Conversite to find the best time and schedule posts in your group. So using Conversite, you can really understand what is the best time to post in your group, and using our post scheduler, you can post, the post to a single group or multiple groups with emojis, image and video support. Okay. And if you want to know in detail about this, just click on this link and you will land on this article, which will tell you completely about, how to schedule Facebook groups, how to schedule, Facebook group post, and how to use this entire scheduler. Showing this to you on Conversite, how it looks. So when you create a post, you'll be able to see day-wise what is the best time to engage. And if you click on schedule, you can add emojis from here, pictures from here, okay. You can post the post in multiple groups. You can add a template if you want to, okay, and decide to schedule it. Whenever you schedule a post through Conversite, you will get detailed analytics about the post using Post Analytics. So if I look at in April, how many posts were scheduled from Conversite, 4 posts were scheduled through Conversite, and the time was met, and this was the performance of the post. Okay. Coming to next section, how to invite your team to Conversite. You can invite your team to Conversite for free, and you can collaborate with them and work with them. All you need to do is go to this section called Add Moderators, and whoever is the moderator in your Facebook group, add their name, email ID and phone number and send an invite. They'll be able to join Conversite, access your group and work with you here. So we have been able to connect, WhatsApp with your Facebook group, and daily updates about your Facebook group now you can get on WhatsApp, where you will come to know, how much the posts go up or down by, and how much the member count change. Okay. To get daily updates on WhatsApp, all you need to do is go to settings. In settings, you will see WhatsApp updates, and if it's not subscribed, you can subscribe them here, and see this notification preferences. You can exactly choose what notification for which group to get on which platform, be it WhatsApp or email, on for which group. All right. How to do brand campaigns with Conversite? So Conversite enables Facebook, good engaged Facebook groups to do campaigns, brand campaigns with Conversite with like some large enterprise brands. Okay. Currently, we're working with parenting, health, nutrition, food, electronic appliances groups in India, Singapore, and we're expanding to US and Philippines very soon. If you're interested to do brand campaigns, please fill up this form. This form will look something like this, where you can just kind of answer, questions about your group and all, and we'll get, if you're interested to do campaigns, we'll get your input here. Secondly, check out this article. This article will tell you how do Facebook groups get brand campaigns through Conversite and earn. And it will tell you in detail as to how can you also get those, what kind of brand campaigns we do, and how can you also get those brand campaigns. If you want to pitch to brands and do campaigns yourself, what we have for you is called the Monetization Masterclass. This is where what we do is we teach admins that how can you go out to brands, pitch your group and get brand campaigns. To book your Monetization Masterclass, click on this link. It will take you to this Calendly link where you can book your masterclass. This happens every alternate Saturday. The next one is happening on 29th of May. That's when the video is being recorded. And you can see for every month, there'll be alternate Saturday, you will have the masterclass kind of happening here. How to connect with other admins via our Facebook group? Now, we have a Facebook group called Growth and Monetization of Facebook Group Admins. You can join this group and interact with admins like you who want to grow their community, who want to make money from it, and are looking to kind of engage the group better. This is our community, and here are people who are kind of asking, sharing questions, and talking about their problems. So you can kind of please come and join this group and be a part of this community. At the end, I would want to show you this tweet storm, which shows how much our users love us. Just click on this link. You will land here, where you will be able to see what other admins are saying about Conversite and how they feel that this is helping them kind of grow in life. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it, and do stay tuned to kind of learn more from Conversite, engage your group better, and start earning a sustainable income from it. Thank you.